I am going to New York City. I am so excited. My dream comes true. I pack my clothes for New York. I need jeans and a warm jacket. My passport is ready. My flight to New York is tomorrow morning. Times Square is amazing at night. You must see all the bright lights. Oh, I can't wait. It looks incredible. We'll go right to the heart of it. Yes, let's. New York is big and busy, Maya. Please be careful and call me every day. I will, Mom. I promise. And stay safe in the subway. I know, Mom. Tomorrow I fly to New York. I am too happy and excited to sleep. I am at the airport. It is 4 in the morning. New York, I am coming. This airport is so big. I can see New York on the big board over there.
Good morning. Can I see your passport, please? Flying to New York today?
Good morning. Yes, here you are.
Thank you. One bag to check? Yes, just the one. Perfect. I'll just get that printed for you now.
I am going to New York City for the first time. I am so excited.
Here is your boarding pass. Gate A22. Have a wonderful time in New York.
I take out my laptop. I remove my shoes. Security is no problem for me.
Arms up, please. Walk forward slowly. Perfect. You can go through now.
Now I am happy and ready. Gate A22, let us go. Gate A22 is this way. My flight to New York is on time. Let us go. That is my plane to New York. I can see it. I wait and drink my coffee. We are boarding now. I walk to the plane. New York, here I come. Boarding pass, please. Here you go. Thank you. Enjoy your flight. Thank you. Welcome aboard. We are flying to New York today. Enjoy your flight. Thank you. You're welcome. Your seat is right this way. Row 18. 18A is my window seat. I always choose the window seat. My window seat! Look at the beautiful orange sky outside! So pretty! In an emergency, please put on your life jacket. Pull the red cord. The plane is moving now. I feel nervous and excited at the same time.
We are going up.
Oh, wow, this is amazing. I love this scene so much. We are above the clouds. The sky is so blue. It is so beautiful. Hi there. Chicken or pasta today?
An orange juice for you now?
Chicken, please. Thank you. Perfect. Here you go. The chicken is so good. I am very hungry. I eat everything. Look, Manhattan on the screen. I can see the Empire State Building. So tall. New York City. I can see Manhattan. I can see the Empire State Building. We landed! This is New York! JFK Airport! I am here! Oh, yes! Yes! JFK Airport! Welcome to New York! I can see a New York sign. I love it.
Welcome to the United States. Passport, please. What is your purpose of visit?
Thank you. I'm here for tourism.
Please hand me your passport.
A U.S. entry stamp in my passport. I am officially in America. So happy. I can see my bag on the belt. The blue one with the flag tag. I found it. Got it. My bag is so heavy. Okay, I have all my things now. Let us go. Green channel, nothing to declare. I am almost in New York City now. I am in New York. Hello, New York City. I am here. New York City air. The yellow taxis. The big sky. I am really here.
Welcome to New York, miss. Jump in. Where in the city are you going?
American streets. I can see fire hydrants and yellow school buses. So American.
First time in New York? Welcome. This city is the best city in the world.
The sky's nice. It's so big. See the Independence Day. The Brooklyn Bridge. I know this bridge. It is beautiful, big. My hotel is beautiful. Art Deco style and American flags. I love New York. This hotel lobby is so beautiful. The chandelier and the marble floor. Wow. The Empire State Building is right outside my window. I cannot believe this. Fresh face. I feel so good now. I am ready to go and see New York City. Selfie, the Empire State Building behind me. Mom, look at this view. New York City streets. So many people, so many taxis, so much energy. Times Square. Oh my. So many lights. I cannot look at everything at once. Central Park is so beautiful. The orange and yellow trees in autumn, so pretty. The Statue of Liberty. She is so big and so tall. I can see her torch. New York from the water. The wind and the skyline. I feel so free and alive. I walk on the Brooklyn Bridge. This is amazing. The bridge is very old and beautiful. I can see all of Manhattan from here. The big buildings. It is so perfect.
A New York pretzel! I must have one! This is real New York street food.
You got it. Fresh and hot.
Thank you!
It looks incredible. Enjoy. This pretzel is so warm and soft and salty. Perfect New York food. The High Line is a park above the street. I can see the Hudson River. Beautiful. Grand Central. Look at the beautiful ceiling. It shows stars and the sky. Amazing. I can see the Brooklyn Bridge through the other bridge. It is the perfect view. I am on top of New York City. The Empire State Building is right there. So close. MoMA, the Modern Art Museum. I love the big paintings. Art makes me think. The Chrysler Building. The crown is so beautiful. This is my favorite building. My last dinner in New York. A big American cheeseburger and fries. So delicious. Perfect. New York cheesecake. This is the best cheesecake in the world. So creamy. New York at night is so magical. I will never forget this view. Never. Mom, New York City is amazing. I am so happy I came here. I love New York. I do not want to leave New York. This city is in my heart now. Goodbye. Goodbye, New York. I can see Central Park from above. I will come back soon. A yellow leaf from Central Park. It travels home with me. I love New York. New York changed my life. I want to go back. Next time I stay longer.